Mastering the art of storytelling. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of the English language and communication: storytelling prowess. Understanding this concept not only enriches your language skills but also enhances your ability to connect and engage with others. So, let's unravel the mystery of storytelling prowess together. Storytelling prowess refers to the skill or talent in telling stories in a compelling, engaging, and effective manner. It's about weaving narratives that captivate your audience, whether you're writing or speaking. This prowess is not just about the story itself but how you deliver it, your choice of words, the pacing, your voice modulation, and how you use emotions to bring the story to life. A person with storytelling prowess can transform even the simplest tale into an unforgettable journey for their listeners or readers. Storytelling is an ancient form of communication that's still incredibly relevant today. It's a powerful tool for education, entertainment, and persuasion. In education, stories make complex concepts easier to understand and remember. In entertainment, they immerse and transport audiences to different worlds. And in persuasion, stories can influence thoughts, change minds, or inspire action by creating a strong emotional connection. Developing your storytelling prowess can make you a more effective communicator, teacher, leader, or artist. 3.1. Read and listen to stories. The more stories you consume, the better you understand what makes them effective. Pay attention to how stories are structured, how characters are developed, and how themes are explored. 3.2. Practice storytelling. Start by telling stories to friends, family, or even to yourself. Practice using different tones, speeds, and emotions. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. 3.3. Seek feedback. Share your stories with others and be open to their feedback. Understanding your audience's perspective can help you refine your storytelling skills. 3.4. Learn from the masters. Study the works of renowned storytellers in literature, cinema, and even in public speaking. Analyze their techniques and how they engage with their audience. Storytelling is a beautiful art that connects us to each other in the most human way possible. Developing your storytelling prowess can greatly impact your personal and professional life, allowing you to share ideas, knowledge, and emotions more effectively. Remember, every great storyteller started somewhere, and with practice, feedback, and a love for stories, you too can master this art. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video inspires you to start your journey in becoming a compelling storyteller. Happy storytelling!